For the advanced question, it says, to the right are data collected on the prices and capacity of hard drives. Below is a regression analysis of price versus capacity. Question A says, without the use of a calculator, write the regression equation. Define the variables used in your equation. You may use a calculator to check your equation for accuracy. For question A, we are going to use the slope equation, which is y equals mx plus b. To form this equation, we must know that our capacity is our x and our price is our y. We know that capacity is x because of response and explanatory. Our x is always going to be our explanatory. So the capacity explains the price. Here we are given the y-intercept, which is b, and the capacity, which is x. So when we plug it into our slope-intercept equation, which is y equals mx plus b, since we know our capacity is x, we have y equals 103.929x plus our y-intercept, which is 18.617. To check our equation, I plugged the numbers in that were given to us into list 1 and list 2. Now to find out whether our equation is right or not, we go to Stat, go to Calc, and we go to 4, which is linreg, and it says ax plus b, and we press enter. And you want to make sure that your x list is list 1 and your y list is list 2. Now when you calculate that, you get what we said. You get y equals 103.929 x plus 18.617. B wants us to explain the meaning of the slope and the y-intercept in context. So if you look back at our equation, you can see the slope and the y-intercept. Now just looking at the slope, which is 103.929, you'll know that the slope means that for every 1 TB, the price increases $103.93. And looking at the y-intercept, we see that 18.617, that y-intercept means that a hard drive with 0 capacity would cost $18.617. Letter C wants us to predict the price of a 3 TB drive. So in order to do this, we have our equation, and we're just going to plug in 3 for x. So on your calculator, you do 103.929 times 3 plus 18.617. And when you solve for that, you get 330.40. So $330.40 is our predicted price for a 3 TB drive. Letter D says, Shaheen found a 3 TB hard drive for $300. According to your regression equation, determine why this either is or is not a good buy. Well, Shaheen, looks like you're in luck, because this is a good buy. According to our regression equation, we got $330.40 as our predicted price. But you found the hard drive for $300, which means that you got it for $30.40 less. Now, Shaheen, you sound like a real bargain shopper. Good job.